Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to follow up on CVX. This is Chevron. On Thursday of last week, I brought this chart to your attention on the chart of the day, and since then, we've had a pretty good breakout here on good volume. So let's break things down. Last Thursday was this day here, and I was looking for a break out of this clearly defined downward sloping trend line on volume. Now it tried here on Friday, tried to go and couldn't. Got a clear rejection right at that potential breakout level. But then here on Monday, you can see how the bears tried to bring it down and couldn't. So it's almost like it was in a weird position where the bulls weren't strong enough to break it out, but the bears weren't strong enough to break it down. Today, we got a resolution to this move with a strong bullish engulfing candlestick on higher than average volume. So this trade is in motion, and if you're in this right now or took this trade, I just want to recommend maybe having a potential stop loss right under today's intraday low, or you can use that daily 8 exponential period moving average. If you get a close below the 8-day within the next day or two here, maybe want to close that trade out as it's not continuing higher. I don't know about you, but if I'm buying a stock, I'm buying it because I think it's going up, not because I think it's going to chop around and frustrate me for days on end. So that's what I would do here on CVX if you took this trade. The oil and gas stocks have been rocking, and Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com added a ton of them to our active trade list over the last few days, and our members have been making bank with a lot of these trade ideas. If you want to see what we're doing, take a trial. If you're watching this on YouTube, click the link. It's like free, I think, or pretty close. And hopefully, I'll see you on the other side.